Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to enable the night mode for camera in this device. So first of all, open the camera. So actually if yeah, the night mode will automatically enabled, actually now the night mode is not enabled. So if you cover up, now let me show you. If you cover up the camera simply, you can see the night mode is enabled. On the top left side you can see the night mode. Let me show you. Put the camera, you can see, right? And remove the hand again, you can see. Remove, you can see. Automatically it will detect and automatically it will enable the night mode in this device. Night mode for the camera in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.